Hello everybody, welcome back to Mocha Dishes. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my delicious chicken. You're going to want to start off by grabbing 2 whole chickens. Then you're going to want to separate them. I then wash them and put them into my pressure cooker. I add 1 cup of water. Then I just let it cook for around 20 minutes. Now I'm adding 1 cup of cornstarch, and I'm going to mix it with half a cup of cold water. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ginger, and a few other spices I'm using are basil, herb and pepper, and some garlic onion. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala and 1 teaspoon of Maggi seasoning. Here I'm adding a little bit more of cold water. Here I'm also adding half a cup of flour. And again, I want a more liquidy consistency, so I'm adding more cold water. Now I'm just grabbing the chicken that was in the pressure cooker after letting it cool for 5 minutes, and I'm just going to dip it into the spice mixture I made. And now I'm frying it on medium to low heat. And there you have it. Amazing, well-seasoned, and well-cooked chicken.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to make it thumbs up, like, subscribe. Bye!